Good morning, you guys. We are about to spend my Saturday together. I have a few things I'm doing today. I'm not exactly sure, but we gonna figure it out as we go. I gotta move this stuff into my storage room down in the basement. I want to do my nails. I want to go DoorDash because baby, I'm trying to make between $100 and $300 today. I literally want to dye my hair and I want to do my hair because I'm quite over these curls right now at least. I need something different, y'all. I woke up with a new sense of audacity. And today, y'all love the vlogs. The vlog that I did post is getting the most traction, along with my other video, 5 questions that changed my life. If you want to see that, just go look on my channel. Yeah, guys, we're about to go downstairs and put the stuff in my storage room, and then I'm gonna cook me some breakfast, then we're gonna get dressed, then we're gonna go. Hopefully my mom doesn't need the car very much today, because then I can DoorDash for however long I need to, as long as I put gas in the car. But yeah, you guys, look at my neck. It's so bad. I'm sad. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got a chemical burn down here because I grow hair under here. And I use like a chemical, depilatory, or however you say it. But it's basically like Nair, but it's not Nair. It's a powder that you literally just mix in water, and it works so good. I hate Nair, honestly, but now I don't know if I can use Magic Shade because that just happened, and it's still pretty itchy. But yeah, y'all, I'm feeling really good this morning, and I have a literal new sense of hope in me because I finally have a real direction as to where I want to go and what I want to do in the life that I'm literally trying to create every day. So yeah, y'all, I will see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, y'all, hey, I'm back finally. So you guys are gonna come with me to DoorDash because I'm honestly trying to get this money so that I can do my hair.
Left on West Market Street.
Because the curls, they're cute. They're definitely cute. But I really hate doing my hair. And I hate having to literally touch my hair every day. So that, I can't. So I really want to dye my hair and do a cute little bob on it. So I'm trying to see which way to go, but yeah, y'all are gonna come with me. I just picked up 2 different orders. I'm about to drop them off at the same house. So yeah, we're just gonna be talking and chit-chatting the whole time. Hopefully I have enough storage. If not, I've got to delete and record as I go. I hate the streets because it's so freaking busy for no reason. And I'm not waiting, so yeah. But yeah.
Head towards South Miller Road, then turn left onto South Miller Road.
Damn it.
At the light, turn left onto South Miller Road.
Left. But that's not gonna happen. So, oh well. We have to find another way. We got to do something else, y'all. No, I ain't gonna do that today. I was about to cut this car off, but I ain't gonna do it, y'all. I ain't gonna do it.
Head northwest on West Market Street. In 300 feet, turn right after Firehouse Subs Market Street. After Firehouse Subs Market Street, turn right onto Baker Boulevard.
I actually have to turn around now because that's the way I'm supposed to be going, which is unfortunate because it's a Saturday and the traffic over here is terrible. But I've just been really thinking really deeply, and I'm honestly reflecting on what I was journaling this morning. How I'm literally in a season right now of rebuilding my life because
head north on Mers Boulevard.
I don't think I can
At
go
the
this
next
way,
stop
y'all.
sign, turn right.
That's just so irritating. But we about to figure it out.
Exit the parking lot toward Baker Boulevard. Take your next right onto Baker Boulevard. Turn right onto Baker Boulevard.
Perfect.
Then at the next stop sign, you'll turn left.
Perfect. Oh, y'all. My bad, y'all. They got some kind of fair. Y'all, I don't even know where I left off at, but my phone fell and I think it stopped my recording. So I'm just trying to get this order so I can go. But y'all not about to block me in here. Y'all not about to do that. So y'all not about to do that. So yeah. Y'all are absolutely not about to do that. Like, what's going on today? That was really nice of them to let me go. But anyways, I'm so distracted right now because I'm like driving and trying to get this order to these people. But I think I was saying I am rebuilding my life from scratch, from zilch, from nothing. And I'm not embarrassed to say it. I'm not sad to say it because maybe I really needed this fresh start to, I don't know. I'm ready for a totally different lifestyle now. I'm ready for new everything. I'm ready.
At the next light, turn right.
Like, I'm generally at the point where I want to throw everything I have away and start completely over. Like, I've been doing a lot of research as to like where I want to move. I know I'm gonna be moving between the first part of Q4 and damn it. I know I want to move in the first part of because I want to be in my new place that I'm gonna be living. My gosh. Anyways, anywho, I want to be in the place that I'm moving by January. Like, I would like to already have moved before January is here. And at this point in my life, I'm doing whatever I have to do to get to where I'm going. Like, if that makes sense. Like,
In 600 feet at the traffic circle, take the second exit onto Jacoby Road.
okay, like I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted. Anywho, I want to be in my new place of living, which I'm not sharing yet, but I will share once I know exactly when and exactly where I'm moving. Like, I know a place, I have a place in mind, and I have a place in mind that I really have been thinking about heavily for like a year or more. So yeah, but yeah, I'm giving myself permission to do whatever it takes for me to create the life that I genuinely love. Like, I'm not taking account for anybody else. I'm so sorry if that sounds like selfish or rude. We're coming up on the house, you guys, so 1 minute.
Your destination is on the left.
Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Okay, we're here, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this order off.
The customer requested you hand them the order. They added the following instructions. Hand it to me.
Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, girly pops, we're back. If I can get like 10 more orders with that amount, I would be perfect. Like, literally. We're gonna navigate ourselves back to the hotspot we were in because, yeah. But I've really been thinking so deeply about just the way my life has been playing out, and I'm just realizing that I have so much more power and authority than I'm realizing. Like, I don't have to settle for this life, and I don't have to settle for anything that I don't want to settle for, and I'm not. So literally today marks the day that I start rebuilding my life on my terms. And I really feel like I've been doing this already, but I haven't really been intentional about it. That's what it is. I haven't been intentional about it. And I'm not doing that no more. Like, I have a goal in mind, and even though that goal might not, you guys, I'm gonna try to have this video be as long as I can, but it's really hard because first of all, I'm door dashing. I barely have any storage, so I had to literally like delete stuff while I'm driving, which is not really that safe. And I'm really trying to make this money so that I can do my hair and I can pay for my dog some more food. But I think what I was last saying before it cut off was, I have a goal in mind. And even though that goal, I can have the goal all I want, but the thing about it is it may not happen exactly the way that I see it to happen. Oh, sorry, y'all. I was jamming my music. But even though it may not happen exactly the way I want it to happen, I'm gonna do what it takes to get there. Like, I can manifest and I can pray all I want, but I have to put the work in to get there, baby. Like, that, it is what it is. Like, I have things that I want to do. I have a life that I'm trying to create, and this life that I'm living, oh my god, it's about to start raining. Anyways, this life that I'm living, I don't love it, and I'm really trying to find the joy in a life that I don't like right now, and it's hard. It really is hard. But let me go to the emergency room, leave with receptionist for Dr. Gomer. Okay, period. We got their food. We're headed to the hospital, you guys.
Exit the parking lot toward Ohio 18 East, West Market Street.
So yeah, I think I know how to get there. So that's good. But I don't know, y'all. I'm really trying to stay positive and just keep my goal in mind, but also keep in mind that it might not always go exactly the way that I want it to go, and I have to just be okay with that. And I'm gonna thank God, I'm gonna praise him in advance, because I know his plans for my life are better than I can even fathom at this point. So I'm gonna do what I can to get to the goal that I have in mind, and if it's something better, or I just know.
Exit the parking lot toward Ghent Road.
BJ's parking only, so I can't, like, I'm so confused. They got something weird going on. I can't get out this way, or no? I don't know, I'm confused, y'all. I think I can. They got some kind of like,
Turn right
oh, it's a farmer's market. I love that. I love farmer's markets. I love that. I wish I could go. It's literally pouring
At the light,
down
turn left
rain
on
right now. I wonder, should I get
West
some
Market
gas? I think I should. Because the gas station is literally right here, and then I can continue on with dropping this order off if I just hurry up and go. But yeah, y'all, that's why I'm door dashing. I literally just applied to this marketplace that's like, can you please go? Like, what are you doing?
Exit the parking lot toward Trunco Road.
Anyways, I'm sorry. I have really bad road rage, which y'all are gonna see from the time that we're together. But hold on, y'all. I'm about to get some gas, and I will catch up with you girls in a sec. Y'all, I cannot make this shit up. Like, why the fuck is it pouring like that? My fucking hair, everything on me right now is completely soaked. Like, this isn't just like it's raining pretty hard. Like, it's pouring. I'm so fucking irritated right now. Like, that really just pissed me the fuck off. Because why is it raining that fucking hard? Oh my gosh. That's terrible. Like, I'm really so irritated right now, and I'm trying to just keep calm. But that,
Turn left on Trunco Road. Then at the next light.
really? Like, really? I'm soaked. Hey, girly bops. We're back. Last time you see me, I was drenched as a mother. And DoorDashing was, oh, the lighting here, sorry y'all. What was I about to say? I was drenched. I was getting gas, and it decided to pour down cats and dogs. And I should have changed, but I continued to dash and I air dried, so I'm good. I'm just annoyed, but I finished my dash. I didn't reach my goal amount, that's for sure, that I said in the first part of the video. Come on, girl. Mamas, come. Anyways, but I didn't get my goal, but I did get enough to get my baby some food. I might dash tomorrow to see if I can get enough to do my hair, because I cannot keep touching my hair every day. I can't stand it. I really cannot. But yeah, y'all, honestly don't even remember what I was talking about. What was I saying? My last clip. I know I was pissed because I was soaked. When I say soaked, I mean like, baby, I could have jumped in a pool with all my clothes on soaked. It was so bad. But right now, I'm just taking little Riley's on a walk. She's about to poop. I'm taking her on a walk and doing my walk for the day. But hold on, you guys, 1 second. Okay, girly pops. You see that bunny? It's burning. Oh, mama, stop it. She's seen a bunny and, oh God. Anywho, this video has been very choppy. I don't like it per se, but we are dealing with storage issues right now, so I had to just do what I had to do. I've been deleting and transferring all my photos to Google. Honestly, want to go through some more of them and like just completely delete them off of my phone, because I'm going through a fresh start thing that I'm doing. Like, I just don't even care. And if I'm gonna be a YouTuber, how am I gonna be a YouTuber if I can't vlog, if I can't do videos? And I can't do videos because I don't have any storage. So anywho, to basically wrap up everything that I was saying, I'm probably still going to record the rest of my day. Record the rest of my day, which I'm just doing. Hi. Come on, kid. I'm just going to do my nails. Come on. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm going to start planning out for my next week. I have the board that I've been doing lately. And it's really been working out for me lately. It's been really good. It's been super good. Like, honestly, it's been keeping me so much on track, and it's really nice to see like a really big thing in my room, like that I could see every morning, and I basically see what I have to do, my goals, what I'm working on. It's really been helping me stay focused, and I've hit a couple of milestones that I didn't think that I was gonna hit, and I did. Like, I hit 25 subscribers, yay. I finished 50% of what I was working on, which was my goal for this week. One thing I'm a little upset about, but it is what it is. I did not work out, not even one day this week, which I'm like, girl, okay, you gotta do better. You gotta do a lot better. Anyways, I just can't stand when people are just they're just like driving really slow and there's no sidewalk. So it's like, are you gonna go or are you gonna let me pass? Because both of us just sitting here is not getting us anywhere. Come on. But yes, I didn't work out this week, but I did go on a walk a few times this week, so I'm happy about that. I drank water. I stay consistent with my morning and my night routine, so it's not all bad, you know, but it is what it is. And like I said, I'm quite literally I kind of want to walk down another street, so we're gonna do that. I'm quite literally rebuilding my life from scratch, and that's basically what I was talking about. I'm done settling. I'm doing whatever I have to do to get me to my goals that I'm like trying to reach. I want to move out of Ohio by the end of this year. That's non-negotiable for me. Like, literally, I am gonna pick this job up. I talk so fast. I'm gonna pick this job up at Mustard Seed, which is like a little market / cafe. It's literally both. And I'm gonna stack my money because first things first, I need my own car. Second thing is my environment has to change. My environment needs to change. I'm quite literally over Ohio in general. I can't do it. And I know up and moving to a new city isn't always going to help the situation, but I'm willing to give it a try to see if it will change anything, if it will push me further out of my comfort zone, which I know it will. And I'm genuinely excited for this next chapter of my life because it's already in motion, babes. Which is another reason why I want to dye my hair and do a new style, because I'm over this. Like, I love my curls, love them down. I also, y'all are gonna learn something about me. I cannot stand doing my hair. Oh, it irritates me so bad. Like, when the money is right, baby, I pay for my hair to be done. But I know how to do a few styles myself, like quick weaves. I can do certain, this way, moms. I can do certain ponytails. I can do, oh Lord. Come on, moms. Let's just go back this way. Come on. We're not even about to do that to you, because I already know my dog. She don't like seeing other dogs loose. She gets really scared. She gets really, come on, girl. We don't have time for you to be stopping in the middle of the road. Anyways, y'all. Anywho. Right now I'm building options for myself. Right now I'm working on building multiple income streams. I'm tired of just relying on one Riley. Come on. I'm tired of just relying on one stream of income, you know, a W-2 job. You know, I'm sick of that. I have things I'm working on that are going to potentially, quite literally, move me out of that era in my life of working a 9-to-5. And I'm excited because my ultimate goal is freedom. Freedom to move, freedom to do whatever makes me happy. I don't ever want to feel trapped like this ever again. Because that's how I feel right now. I feel trapped. I feel like I have to stay in Ohio because I don't have the income that I would really like. And I'm speaking into existence. That's not my story anymore, babe. I'm speaking into existence. I have so many options that I can move. Not that I want to, but I can move to a new state once a year if I wanted to. I can literally just do whatever makes me happy. And I'm literally finding out what my happiness even is right now. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to, come on, girl. I'm about to finish my walk with Riley, girls, and head home. And I'm probably going to do my nails. And oh yeah, do my nails. I don't know if I want to shower first and then do my planning for next week, or if I want to do everything before I take a shower and then literally just chill after I shower. But we gonna see. We are going to see. But yeah, guys, I will catch up with you when I'm back home. Bye. Let's go. Come on, man. This is what she does in the middle of our walks when she's just tired. Come on, girl.